Motorola is stepping into new territory with its bold, new accessory line, Moto Things. And today, we're unveiling a game changer for music lovers, the Moto Buds Loop, the company's first open-ear wireless earbuds. Unlike traditional earbuds that block out the world, the Moto Buds Loop offer a unique, open-ear design. These wireless buds don't seal off your ear canal, but instead, they elegantly cuff the outside of your ear like a stylish piece of jewelry. The result? A listening experience that lets you enjoy your music while still staying aware of your surroundings. Whether you're out for a walk, a jog, or commuting, these earbuds keep you connected to the world around you. The Moto Buds Loop come in two stunning finishes: trekking green, sleek and bold, or French oak with crystals by Swarovski, designed for those who like their tech with a touch of elegance. Inside, these buds pack 12mm drivers, tuned with sound by Bose technology for rich, balanced audio. The result is crystal clear sound with immersive spatial audio to make your listening experience feel more lifelike than ever before. Concerned about call quality? Don't be. The Moto Buds Loop feature dual microphones and AI-powered noise suppression, ensuring that your voice stays crystal clear, even in noisy environments. Need to quickly switch between devices? Thanks to Moto's Smart Connect feature, you can effortlessly switch Bluetooth connections between your Motorola and Lenovo devices, perfect for those on the go. Battery life? You're covered. With 8 hours of playback on a single charge and an additional 37 hours from the charging case, the Moto Buds Loop will easily last you through multiple days of use. Designed with durability in mind, the Moto Buds Loop are water repellent. While they're not officially rated for full waterproofing, they can handle a little rain or sweat during your workout. Open-ear earbuds are more popular than ever, with brands like Sony, Bose, and Nothing entering the market. But with sound by Bose technology and a design that comfortably stays in place, the Moto Buds Loop offers something truly unique. So, when can you get your hands or ears on the Moto Buds Loop? While Motorola hasn't shared an official release date, they'll be available in the coming months. Stay tuned for more updates on pricing and availability. Keep an eye out for the Moto Buds Loop. The future of open-ear audio is almost here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the Moto Buds Loop and other exciting tech releases.